Alright, so we're back at it again. More issues. We got a 13 Buick Regal, and this strobe effect actually is not here in real life, but we're going to lose that anyway. That's the day running lights. Now these are factory HIDs that have gone bad. This one's completely clear. Nothing wrong with it. And this one, for some odd reason, you can't seem to get your hands on from Buick anymore. All this water, it's actually inside. I don't know what happened, but he said that another vehicle he saw had the same problem. So, let's go turn the lights on. Hood open, we know. This side's out. This side's on. And we're going to change them into aftermarket. And people don't know what we figured out. Let's open this guy up. Come on, puppy. There's a plug right there. This guy right here. Plugs right into the headlight. Same one over here. It actually has a clip. We took the clip out. We're going to put it back in later. Now we'll show you which ones we're going to place them with, because they are non-HID. And the theory usually goes is you cannot change factory HID with aftermarket non-HID, regular incandescent. But in this car we can, and we figured it out. We're going to show you. Alright, so here are the new lights. I'm just showing you the actual numbers. Customer says these are actually hard to find, or give them a tough time. This is the, I think, these are upside down. So this is the passenger side, and that's the driver's side. I'd buy them as a pair because they're going to be completely different than the factory. So we're going to take the bumper off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like some of them you don't have to take out, like this one, maybe. I'm going to take them out anyway. 2 more over here. Had to turn the wheel. There's going to be 2 more on the other side, so you just got to turn the wheel to get them off. I'm sure there's more on the bottom, but let's get these off first. And it looks like it is a T20 extended Torx bit. I'm going to use a drill, make it easier on me. Why use hand tools? So you pull this guy off away from the body once you get the screw out. I missed one, so I got to take that one out. But we got bottom one, you can see that. Middle, top. And you do not have to take this one out. Third one in. Same with that one. You don't have to take that out. Bumper comes up and over. So let's get them off. Alright, so right there, these were actually zip tied. Had to cut them out of the way. I'm sure it used to be a bolt of some sort. Who knows? It's American. This definitely has been taken off once before. It's almost all the way off. So let's work on that. Alright, bumper's off. And we need 2 clips. That one guy right there for this little sensor, I guess. And this guy right here, just to squeeze. I'm sure it's probably for the sensors. 1, 2, 3, 4 sensors. And all things popped right off. Exposing, getting to the light. That's what we gotta get to. This one, and another one down here somewhere. I'll find it. Yes, it's that one right there. And probably that one. The light should pop right out. Okay, so apparently you got more screws. You got 2 right there on a bracket to the frame right here. A little push pin clip. I'm going to show you on this side. You got 2 right there. A little bracket that goes right in front of the headlight to a clip right there. And the headlight just pops right out. So it's sort of in your way. You ain't gonna be able to get the headlight out without taking this off, but it's not a big deal. It's two 7 mils. Everything's all 7 mil. drill or 7 mil. All right, all 4 are out. 1, 2, 3. Now this clip on the other side was broken. And 4. And this clip right here, this guy, he's just a safety clip. You're supposed to be able to, let's use my little handy dandy tool. Love this thing. This guy should, without breaking it, come on puppy, come on, there you go. Now that is just a lock. Pull it all the way out. The plug comes right out. Now this is what I'm saying is, we tried this. Me and customer said, you know what? Plugs are identical. Prongs are identical. Let's try it. I can't imagine they would redo the whole car over some HIDs. And it works. The driver's side. Got the stupid clip hooked up to it. Just pull on it. Little hole right there it goes into. Right about there. And then this guy, you just squeeze in and pulls right out. It just sits in front of it. And the light falls in your hand. But he already did this to me, so I gotta unclip this. He took the clip off, I don't know why, but there you go. And she's out. Ta-da! Car has no lights. Yes! Alright, so just in reverse process, put these 2 guys back in. There's one right here for a vent. I think it's a cold air or air intake. Goes right across. And what I noticed is on this side, this side is missing. Looks like a big void. This side actually has a bracket. So it looks like somebody hit something and broke it off. This guy right here. So there's a screw on the bumper where the little rust spot is. This side doesn't have it. So maybe it doesn't have it. But I know these guys, you gotta put back with the zip ties. So put everything back. Here's a new look. Just looks like a regular Buick with no HIDs. Bumper's still on the mat. I'm gonna turn it on and see if everything works. It should. The one thing I did notice is the plug. They fit. They're just different. The factory one's aimed downward, and these are aimed on an angle. This one's not plugged in yet. So we're gonna plug this guy in and show you what I'm talking about. I gotta get the clip anyway, but you see how you sort of have to flip. So they actually match up. They plug right in. I just gotta put the clip in before I do that, so it locks into place. Can't leave it no lock. So it'll just fall right out. Stupid. All right, so here's the clip. It just pops off. Line the 2 guys up. Look at the little tracks right there. Line them up. Trying to plug a bit and push this guy in. It'll lock it in place. Now you can't pull it out. Let's try it. Alright, so new lights are in. Bumper's on temporarily, just to get an idea of what's going on. Alright, turn the headlights on. I'm gonna do this through Alexa. Hey Alexa, turn the headlights on. Oh wow, look at that. Hey Alexa, put the high beams on. Alexa's not listening. Alexa, put the high beams on. Oh look, high beams are on. High beams off. I'm so messing with you. This is not Alexa. Do the left blinker. Oh, there you go. Past the sunlight. Do the right blinker. So, see everything works. Turn it off. Turn the lights off. Back on. See? Turn it off. And the only thing we lose is the day runners. It doesn't have day runners. It's fine. We fixed the problem. I actually like this look better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put aftermarket HIDs. See if that goes well. It shouldn't be that hard. All I got to do is everything's right here. This outer one. You got the plug. Here's your high beam right underneath the plug. This is the low beam. So I'm going to try to get into that. All you do is turn them. And there's your bulb. I'm going to get to put some HIDs in there. Do the same thing over here. This one's a little tight, so I want to put it in before. Actually, you know what? Gotta get this guy off. Nah, I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna take the light back out, change it, see what happens. Alright, so here we got aftermarket HIDs. There you go. Factory HIDs, garbage. Aftermarket headlights in with aftermarket HIDs. I'm going to use H11 kit. I stuffed everything on this side. That side's harder. I didn't want to break the little windshield washer thingy, but I hit the bumper completely off. Stuffed everything in there. H11. This is 6,000K. And no light on the dashboard. It doesn't tell you that the light's out. It does tell you if it's on, off, automatic light control off when you turn it off. And then you have, it'll sense the idea that you're turning it back on. Let's see. This, yeah, there we go. No, you have to wait for it to think. Whatever, dude. Stupid light. No? You don't want to do it now? Automatic light control on. Okay. There you go. So it'll turn off once you have the switch on. High beams. Check. Check. And we're good to go. Nothing to, no hyper flashing. There you go. Like it, don't like it. Share, don't share. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Now you know how to do a headlight in a 13 Regal. Conversion, actually. There you go. It's a conversion. Thanks for watching.